The Cyrusher Kommoda 3.0 is one of those e-bikes that makes a strong first impression before the ride even starts. It has that big, bold Cyrusher look, a step-through frame, fat tires, full suspension, a large battery built into the frame, and the orange color that really does stand out. This is not one of those bikes that blends into the background. The orange finish gives the Kommoda 3.0 a bright, premium, almost show bike kind of presence. It catches attention right away, but it still feels useful and practical. It's not just a flashy color on a basic bike. The frame, the suspension setup, the fat tires, the display, the rack, and overall shape all gives the bike a more finished, more premium feeling. And that is really one of the biggest takeaways from the Kommoda 3.0. It feels premium, not just in one area, but across the whole riding experience. The bike feels comfortable, it feels stable, it feels smooth over rougher surfaces, and it feels like Cyrusher designed it for riders who want something approachable, but still capable enough to handle more than perfectly smooth pavement. This is a step-through e-bike, so it's easy to get on and off. That matters more than people sometimes realize. A lot of fat tire e-bikes can feel tall, bulky, or awkward, especially when stopping and starting often. The Kommoda 3.0 has a much more approachable frame design, and that makes it feel friendly right away. But more on that later. Let's get this thing unboxed. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I remove the packaging straps and open the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down, I slid the e-bike out carefully, stand the e-bike up and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Cyrusher Kommoda 3.0 e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars, and rotating them to align with your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork. Add the front wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the front fork, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. Alright, let's take this thing for a ride. In North Georgia, human population density is low, and many of the roads that lead through beautiful landscapes are still unpaved. Gravel can expose a bike quickly. If the frame feels nervous, gravel shows it. If the suspension is too harsh, gravel shows it. If the tires do not give enough grip, gravel shows it. And if the motor is jumpy or difficult to control, gravel again will show it. The Kommoda 3.0 handles that kind of riding with a calm, planet feel. The 20 by 4 inch fat tires give the bike a white contact patch, and that helps the bike feel more secure when the surfaces get loose, dusty, or uneven. It does not feel like a skinny tire commuter trying to survive on gravel. It feels like a bike that's comfortable being taken off perfect pavement. The fat tires also add cushioning. They help take the sharpness out of the small rocks, packed dirt, washboard texture, and rough sections where a more basic bike might feel chattery. But the tires are only part of that comfort story. The rear air suspension is one of the features that really stands out. On bumpy roads, that rear suspension makes a big difference. Instead of every hit traveling straight through the frame and into the rider, the rear shock helps absorb the repeated bumps. That gives the Kommoda 3.0 a smoother, more relaxed ride, especially on gravel and broken surfaces. It keeps the bike from feeling harsh, and it makes longer rides more comfortable. That is important because the bike is not just about short neighborhood rides. With the 48-volt 20 amp hour battery, the Kommoda 3.0 is built to stay out longer. Cyrusher lists the range at up to 68 miles. But of course, in the real world, range always depends on rider weight, terrain, assist level, speed, wind, temperature, and how much throttle is used. The bigger battery gives the rider more breathing room to ride the bike the way you want to ride it. That extra battery capacity matters a lot on a bike like this. A smaller battery can make every ride feel like a calculation. How far is the ride? How many hills are there? How much assist can I use? Is there enough charge to get home comfortably? The Kommoda 3.0 gives a much better sense of range confidence. It makes the bike feel more useful for longer trail days, extended gravel rides, casual exploring, and those rides where the route gets stretched a little further than planned. The bigger battery also pairs well with the style of the bike. This is a comfortable e-bike. It is the kind of bike that encourages a relaxed ride. The upright riding position, step-through frame, fat tires, full suspension, and large saddle all make it easy to stay on the bike longer. So having a larger battery makes sense. The comfort invites longer rides, and the battery supports that. The motor is another strong part of this package. The Kommoda 3.0 uses a 750 watt rear hub motor with 85 Newton meters of torque, and Cyrusher lists peak power at 1500 watts. That gives the bike the kind of power that feels appropriate for its size. It does not feel like the motor is struggling to move a heavy bike. It has enough pull to get the bike moving confidently, and enough strength to help with hills, gravel sections, and heavier rolling resistance from the big tires. The torque sensor also improves the way the power feels. Instead of giving the same basic push every time the pedals move, the torque sensor responds more naturally to how much effort the rider is putting in. That makes the assistance feel smoother and more connected. On gravel, that kind of control is especially helpful because too much sudden power can make the bike feel less settled. The Kommoda 3.0 does a good job of delivering power in a way that feels usable. There's plenty of help when needed, but the bike does not feel like it's always trying to run away from the rider. That matters on loose terrain where smooth power delivery can be more important than just raw speed. Cyrusher lists the Kommoda 3.0 with a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour on pedal assist level 5. That gives the bike a class 3 style capability when the conditions allow for it. But the real strength is how comfortable and stable it feels while cruising. On gravel roads, it feels best when ridden with steady rhythm. Let the tires settle in, let the suspension work, let the torque sensor provide support, and the bike starts to feel very easy to trust. The front suspension and rear air shock work together to take the edge off rough surfaces. The rear suspension especially helps the Kommoda 3.0 feel more refined than a basic hardtail fat tire e-bike. On bumpy roads, that back of the bike does not feel like it's constantly bouncing the rider around. It has a more controlled and cushioned feel. That comfort is a major reason this bike became a favorite in the household. In fact, the Kommoda 3.0 did not stay in my hands very long. My wife basically stole the bike from me because she loved it, and honestly, that says a lot about what this bike does well. Some e-bikes feel impressive on paper, but they're not always the ones people want to keep riding. The Kommoda 3.0 is different. It has enough power and capability to be interesting, but it also has the comfort, the accessibility, and easygoing ride feel that makes it enjoyable for most riders. The step-through frame makes it less intimidating. The upright position feels relaxed. The saddle and suspension help smooth out the ride. The fat tires add confidence, and the orange color gives it that extra personality. It's easy to see why someone would ride it once and then decide to ride it again, and then decide that it should become their bike. That is one of the best compliments an e-bike can get. When a bike feels natural enough that someone keeps choosing it, that usually says more than any spec sheet. The Kommoda 3.0 is not trying to be a lightweight road bike. It's not trying to be a sharp, aggressive mountain bike. It's more of a comfort-focused, all-terrain cruiser with enough power and suspension to make rougher paths feel more enjoyable. That makes it a good fit for riders who want one bike that can handle a mix of surfaces: pavement, gravel, packed trails, uneven roads, casual weekend rides, local bike trails, and those routes where the surface changes several times during the ride. Another practical win is that the bike was easy enough to load onto the bike rack and take it to local bike trails. That matters because a lot of heavy fat tire e-bikes can become driveway-only bikes if they are too awkward to transport. The Kommoda 3.0 is still a substantial e-bike. Cyrusher listed at over 83 pounds with the battery installed, but with the right rack and a little planning, it was easy to get it loaded and take it out for trail riding. That makes the bike feel more useful. It's not limited to roads around the house. It can be taken somewhere else. It can be used for a trail day. It can be loaded up for a ride where the scenery, the surface, and the route are a little different. And once it gets to those trails, the bike feels ready for the kind of relaxed exploring that makes e-bikes fun in the first place. There are a lot of fat tire e-bikes on the market, but not a lot of them feel this approachable. Some are powerful but bulky. Some are comfortable but underpowered. Some look great but feel basic once the ride starts. The Kommoda 3.0 manages to combine comfort, power, range, and personality in a way that feels easy to recommend for the right rider. It's especially strong for someone who wants a step-through frame but does not want the bike to feel too tame. It is strong for someone who values comfort on bumpy roads. It is strong for someone who rides mixed surfaces. It's strong for someone who wants a bike that feels stable on gravel. It's strong for someone who wants an e-bike that looks different from the usual black, gray, or white options. The orange Kommoda 3.0 has character. The ride has comfort, the battery has enough capacity to support longer adventures, and the overall package feels premium enough to make the bike feel special. For gravel road cruising, casual trail rides, and comfortable all-terrain exploring, the Cyrusher Kommoda 3.0 makes a strong case for itself. It is smooth, it is confidence-inspiring, it is practical enough to load up and take to local trails, and it has the kind of ride quality that makes people fight over who gets to use it next. And that may be the most important review point of all. When the bike gets stolen by someone in the family because they love it, that usually means Cyrusher got a lot right with the Kommoda 3.0. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is JEREMYVINNY signing off. We'll see you on the next one.